My name is Jalen, also known as Natural Rain, and if you're not subscribed, you should go ahead and click that subscribe button and become a part of the family. So you may be able to tell, but I'm a little under the weather and I'm really trying to push past it and still put out this content for you guys. So if I sound a little different than normal, you know why. So this is going to be my last update on rice water. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do this in the future and then just update you guys maybe once a month or something like that, but I'll get back to you guys on that. But for right now, I believe this is going to be the last rice water update. So I've already shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. I deep conditioned overnight actually, so I just rinsed it out. That's what I'm working with. So rice water can be really potent. So what I have in this bottle is rice water plus more water so I can dilute the concentration of that rice water because it's strong. It has a strong smell. The water won't help with the smell, but it will help you dilute it. And then I take lemongrass and that helps with the smell. It smells like lemons when I spray this on my scalp. I am still doing it that I only sprayed on my scalp because I really didn't want to make my hair too dry because of the protein that rice water has in it. It can make your hair dry. After the first time, I really had to make a change. If you guys haven't seen the rice water series, like this is the last update, so you might want to I'll have some videos linked up here for you guys to check out, because I go through how I make the rice water, products that I use when I use rice water. I go through the whole 9, but this is the final update. You guys are going to get to see how much my hair has grown, if it's grown at all. You guys are going to get to see all of that, and then also going to get to see me apply it for the last time. So there's that. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray the rice water on my scalp, rub it in, and then leave it on for an hour. If it's easier for you, you can definitely section your hair off. I probably should section my hair off, but I really don't feel like it, and that's just me being real. But if it's easier for you to get to your scalp and everything, definitely section your hair off. Alright, so I'm going to take this scrunchie, put on my hair up. Alright. And y'all know the drill. I'm going to leave this in for an hour and then I'm going to rinse it out. Y'all, this is product-free hair. There's no product in here. I think my hair has pretty good shine to not have any product. And the curls are popping. And my hair feels really good. A good balance of moisturized and strong. I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with this smooth length check. I don't really feel like my hair has gone longer. Let me just say that. I don't see a significant difference with that. But, oh, I took this section last time. So let me take the same one. Make sure I got enough hair in the section. Honestly, I feel like I'm right where I started. So I don't know, rice water not making me feel like my hair growing a whole bunch, but I literally feel like I'm right where I started. Literally like right at the same point. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and hit you guys with a length check. I think, is it this one? Probably somewhere down here. Okay. Now my hair is all stretched out at the bottom. I am gonna style my hair. This is my hair with no product in it, so hasn't been styled yet, so I'm not upset. It's just I'm gonna look a little wild talking to you guys with my hair stretched out in this one section. I think I'm gonna put it up. So I'm basically gonna be giving you guys my final thoughts, and so far after doing this challenge for a month, doing it every week for a month, my hair didn't grow very much. And that was my whole main purpose for doing this challenge, is because I wanted to see some growth results. I had noticed a lot of other YouTubers who had tried rice water and their hair was growing like crazy and it was getting thicker and all of that, and I don't really need my hair to be thicker, but the length, I was there for the length. So all in all, I don't feel like my hair grew that much. I will be inserting some clips so you can see from week 1, week 2, week 3, and now. And like I said, I did this every single week. I ain't skipped no weeks. But I don't feel like my hair grew significantly enough for me to be like, oh my gosh, rice water helped my hair grow. So one, I can definitely say it made my hair shinier overall, with product, without product. It just has more shine. And I noticed that right away after week 1. And then number 2, it helps with shedding. I don't have a huge shedding problem, but if you do, you might want to give rice water a try. Let's see. I think it made my hair overall stronger. Like, not brittle, but like the strands are strong, okay? Would I try this again? I think I would, but if I do it again, I'm going to do it for a longer period of time so I can really see if my hair is growing. A month, I feel like it's long enough to see a difference. But maybe if I would have did it for 2 months or 3 months, I would have seen a bigger jump. And then you have to like account for the fact that your hair is obviously growing all the freaking time. So you can't just say, oh my gosh, my hair grew, I don't know, 1.5 inches in 3 months. That's average hair growth. So if it grows, if you know how your hair grows, like my hair actually grows like really on par with average. It grows 1/2 inch a month. And that being said, if you're noticing a difference more than that 1/2 inch a month, then you may be able to attribute it to trying rice water. I really want to know, because I know a lot of you guys are doing this challenge with me. I want to know how it's been going. Like, what are your results? Are you receiving growth? Because if you're receiving growth, I'm happy for you. I really wish it would have happened for me, but I don't take nothing away from you. Like, I just didn't really see the crazy growth I was hoping to have. I'm confused. All in all, I know there are a lot of people who said using rice water this much, my hair would break off and stuff like that. I did not have that problem, so it's lit. But it's also because of the changes that I've made along the way. Like, I realized after week 1 that I wasn't going to be able to continue to do the rice water challenge the way I thought I would be able to. Y'all should check out the second video if you haven't already, because I explained how my hair was feeling and why I decided to change my hair routine. I really think those videos are helpful for you if you're trying to get a feel of what your hair acts like. Like, if you have any type of protein overload or anything like that, I give you product ideas and everything for how to make sure that your hair still stays healthy enough so that you can actually see the growth and actually see the health. So it's all about balance. So basically, I think that's pretty much it. I just want to wrap this video up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Don't forget to comment down below your results if you joined this challenge. If you feel like your hair grew, like, let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.